Hello friends, welcome to my channel. During highway rides or night rides, Royal Enfield peoples will be often facing issue of low intensity of headlights. Like intensity is not up to the mark because the stock lamp or bulb will be of 55 watt slash 60 watt, which is not so good. So what they'll be doing is generally they'll be going for optional LED fog lights. Like on this sides you would have seen they'll be installing these fog lights, which is an illegal. As per RTO, the fog light what you will be installing should not be more than 30 watt, or else it is an illegal and chances of penalty or challan will be there if found. So today I will be showing how to change the headlamps of your Royal Enfield from 55 watt or 60 watt stock to 90 watt 100 watt updated. So if you have seen in most of the videos, they will be telling like you wanted to change relays, all those things. Actually for Royal Enfield bikes it is not necessary because the wiring harness is capable of taking up to 110 watt. So let's see how. So this is your stock bulb, which is of 50 watt and 60 watt. Like 50 watt and 60 watt, you can see the low beam and you can see the high beam. This is your low beam and this is your high beam. So now let's replace this with 90 bar 100 watt bulb. So you can see this is the stock bulb. You can see here Phenolex H4 60 watt 55 watt. So this bulb now will be replacing with Osram. You can see 90 watt or 100 watt. So this is costing around, it was around 200 rupees. Yeah, you can see it was around 200 rupees. So let's replace it. This is your high beam and this is your low beam of the stock, which is not so good for highway rides. So let's replace it. So you wanted to remove this screw. Let's unscrew it. After unscrewing it, please remove this holder. Yeah, so you could able to see I have unplugged it. So let's remove it and replace with 90 bar 100 watt halogen lamp. So now I have replaced this with the new Osram 90 bar 100 watt halogen lamp. And before installing, I don't think this is necessary because if it is a BS4 engine, the front light will be always on. So this you can remove it because it will be taking another 10 watt of your power. This you need not, you can remove it. I have replaced the stock bulb with the new Osram bulb. After replacing, not to start the bulb because the company fitted for headlight protection. There will be a fuse box over here where the rated fuse will be of 10 amps. So there will be an the company would have given 20 amps fuse, like two fuses more, 20 amps, that you wanted to replace it. Let's see how. So once you open up your utility box, there will be something called as fuse box. You can see this is a fuse box. So you can see the fuse box. You can see the namings over here. Yeah, The first one is headlight. This is of 10 amps. So the company would have given two extra fuses. One is of 10 amps, one is of 20 amps. Now the first one you wanted to replace with 20 amps of fuse. Let's see. Yeah, now you could able to see I have replaced with 20 amps of fuse. These two are optional, like emergency fuses company would have given. So after changing the fuse, see, you can see the low beam. I kept in low beam. You can see the low beam intensity. It's super cool. Now let's see high beam. So you can see high beam has improved. So by doing this, there will be no challan, and it is legal because you are not putting any extra lights. Thank you.